How to add friends on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can add friends on Discord. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically, if you want to add friends on Discord, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply open the Discord app. And this is the kind of interface that you will be able to see. Now, from here, what you basically have to do is you can go to this direct messages option, and here you can go to friends. Now, you can just click on add a friend option right here and simply enter the username if you know their username and click on send friend request. And if they accept it, you guys will be friends and you will be able to talk to each other on Discord just like this. If you're trying to send friend request to a certain person from a certain group, you can go to their profile page and either just try to message them or send them a friend request by clicking on this add friend option right there. And this way you'll simply be able to add friends on Discord. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in our next video.